person's vision to high heights, the raising of a person's performance to a higher standard, the building of a personality beyond its normal limitations. A very good morning to everyone. On behalf of our respected principal, Dr. Renu Sehgal, and the entire Student Council, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Abhishek Pandey, Honorable Chairman, Mr. Dinesh Karnani, and our worthy director, Mr. Deepak Karnani. Respected parents and members of the Prefectorial Board, today is a day of great significance and value. Today is the memorable occasion for our newly elected Student Council. For those of you who have been chosen as prefects, you have proven that you are leaders, not only to yourselves, but also to your friends, your teachers, and your parents. Leadership is one of the most important skills you can learn to be the best person you can be and make your school a better place.
To begin the morning in a pleasant and auspicious manner, let us all seek the blessings of the Almighty by the lighting of lamp. Lord Ganesha is the god of knowledge and learning. He is the master, the one who naturally guides and leads us in the right direction. Ganesha is called Vinayak, the incomparable leader. The mantle of leadership falls naturally on one who gained mastery over himself, has faith and knowledge, and commands success in all of his endeavors. Let us all close our eyes and pray to the Lord to bless us with his divine powers.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा आदिपूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकम् आदिपूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकं मङ्गलं परमं रूपं श्रीगणेशं नमाम्यहम् मङ्गलं परमं रूपं श्रीगणेशं नमाम्यहम् वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. We are honored to have with us Mr. Abhishek Pandey, who is our honorable chief guest for the day. He is currently working with the Times of India as their senior manager. He has been associated with the print media for more than a decade. He's a marketing enthusiast, a freelance photographer, a sportsman, and an artist. He has done many photography assignments for the Times of India and is a state-level badminton player. His assignment on Kashmir and its culture was published by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. His works have been published in BBC, Lonely Planet, UP Tourism, and many other newspapers. He has graced many photo contests and events as a judge. On behalf of the Goenkan family, we welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys.
We are delighted to have with us our esteemed chairman, Mr. Dinesh Karnani. Sir is a visionary who, by his tremendous hard work, has taken this prestigious institution towards new levels of glory and success. We welcome you, sir.
We are also privileged by the presence of our worthy director, the young and dynamic Deepak sir, who has always been a source of inspiration for us all. Perfection has always been his motto, and nothing but the best is his aim. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, dear, on his behalf. Thank you so much.
The greatest leaders are not necessarily the ones who do the greatest things, but they are the ones who get other people to do great things. We are honored to have with us our respected principal ma'am, Dr. Renu Sehgal, a 2 times recipient of the Dr. Radhakrishnan National Award, by our former presidents, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee and Dr. Pratibha Patil. She is a dedicated educationist with almost 38 years of experience in the field of education. She is a recipient of many prestigious awards. To name a few, the Ideal Principal Award by Akhil Bharatiya Nagrik Kendra in 2008, the Best Principal Award by Rotary International in 2010, Uttarakhand Ratan Award in 2015, and the Jyotirmani Award by the President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi in September 2011. She has guided us every step of the way and helped us spread our wings so we can excel in our
Thank you, Anushka. Thank you. God bless you. And all the best for the event.
Thank you.
To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream, not only plan, but also believe. On behalf of the Goenkan family, I extend a very sincere welcome to our respected parents and the prolific members of the newly elected prefectorial board. We thank all the parents for blessing us with their presence today, and a heartfelt congratulations to the enthusiastic students chosen as prefects.
It's a beautiful day, a start to a new journey. So let's embark on our new journey with a positive mindset. We heartily welcome you with our energetic welcome song performed by our very own beloved Western music vocal teacher, Mr. Shankar Kumar.
See the sun shining in the window. Time to start a new day. Can't you sing out loud and say, and it's a beautiful day. Has just do what I wanna do. And just to be alive. A beautiful day. And look around, there's a world of beauty. And there's a wonder around every corner. It's a beautiful day for running in the sun. A beautiful day to do. It's a beautiful day, just I'm glad I've got a beautiful. I like to share it with you.
Thank you so much, sir.
A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Great leaders don't tell you what to do, they show you how it's done. The newly elected student council wouldn't have been the same without the leadership and guidance that we received last year. I would now like to invite the outgoing head girl and head boy, Kriti Sharma and Anshuman Sinha, to address the council.
May our learning be holistic, that conjoins our body, mind, and soul. May our dreams be so beyond individual destinations and kind to humanity. May our growth be realistic, that leads us to maximum happiness, and may our contribution be significant to the greater good of society. A very good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all the members of the Prefectorial Board. My name is Ritti, and I was the head girl of the session 2020-21. I want to say thank you to all my teachers who have listened without judgment, spoken without prejudice, and helped me without entitlement. I feel greatly honored to be asked to make the 2021 investiture speech in this great assembly. The opportunities I have been given at GD Goenka have been absolutely phenomenal. To finish my journey as the head girl at Goenka has been a dream come true. 8 years have gone by and I still love this school as much as I did on my first day in grade 5. Being the head girl last year had been an amazing experience as well as a lot of fun. Although times were difficult last year, the student council as a team made enormous efforts to shine through every single occasion. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all my juniors. I know all of you will perform your roles tremendously throughout the year. I'm very excited to be passing my role to Janvi, who is an incredible leader. The best advice we as seniors can give you would to not be afraid to ask the people around you for help. And remember, always take pride in your roles. Enjoy the little things in life. One day you might look back and realize that they were actually the big things. With that being said, I would like to congratulate all the members of the Prefectorial Board once again. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Mukta Ma'am, teachers, and all the members of Prefectorial Board. So, big day, huh? I know you don't want to hear me much, but as last year's head boy, I want to share some wisdom with you all. Believe me, I have been in your place, not being able to enjoy last year of school. I know this year hasn't been the best one could imagine. But that's exactly what makes it so special. Because if you prevail this, the world will remember you for what you changed and not for what you lost. Okay, on the other hand, the council position brings heavy duties and responsibilities. So, to perform those duties, you need to keep learning, keep growing, and keep cooperating amongst each other. Then only the things will be managed easily and efficiently. With that being said, I would like to say keep your morals up, pride high, and perform the duties responsibly. At last, this is your day. Just enjoy and all the best to everyone for the future. Your first ever online homemade boy. Thank you so much.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Each year, we have these elections in school where the students participate with enthusiasm and an aim to lead. Though the conditions were different this year, we decided to take it as a challenge and march forward despite the odds to maintain our legacy. This year, too, we conducted the elections, but in an innovative way. The elections were conducted virtually due to unforeseen circumstances, but even that did not stop us going. These elections were conducted in a structured process and in a democratic manner. We have 4 houses, namely Radhakrishnan, Vivekanand, Tagore, and Teresa House. Elections were conducted for electing the house captains and the vice house captains among the students of grades 5 to 10. We also elected 8 neutral council members from class 12 and 9 house captains from grade 11 through the process of interviews conducted by an independent jury panel. The very first step was that the students, shortlisted by our respective teachers, had to fill a form on the link sent to them where they mentioned their achievements and their behaviors towards a few given situations. The second step was the election. Links for voting were sent to the students where they selected their choice for the positions. And lastly, by calculating the votes, the best candidates were selected for their respective positions. The entire process was transparent and conducted in a democratic manner and provided students hands-on experience of the election process. I wish all my fellow student council members the very best and hope they will motivate and lead. Good luck.
Leadership is not a position or a title. It is action and example. The pages of yesterday cannot be revised, but the pages of tomorrow are blank. And students, you hold the pen. Make it an inspiring story. Now it is time for the conferring of the badges on our newly elected student council. I would like to call Mansi, my fellow student council member, to carry the proceedings of the day forward.
Thank you, Janvi. The pessimist complains about the wind, the optimist expects it to change, the leader adjusts the sails. We will now begin with the formal ceremony of conferring the badges to our newly appointed members of the School Prefectorial Board 2021 to 2022. We have amongst us a zestful and hardworking head girl, Ms. Janvi Kisan. I'd like to request Janvi to kindly switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
I wish a lovely morning to our esteemed principal, parents, teachers, and my fellow peers who have gathered here today. I am Janvi Gusai from class 12D, and I am the newly appointed head girl for the session 2021 to 22. I express my gratitude to each and every person who has put their faith in me and pledged to uplift the school's image, abiding by the Goenkan ideals, higher, stronger, and brighter. Thank you.
May I now request Mrs. Gusain to kindly confer the sash and the badge on Janvi. Janvi is a confident and fervent individual who has represented the school in various events and competitions. She's extremely passionate about theatre as well as public speaking and is an excellent debater. She strives to work hard with her peers and create an environment where students feel comfortable and inspired to achieve success in life. May you strive to make this institution better and inspire others along the way to do the same. Thank you, Mrs. Gusain, and congratulations to you, Janvi. Next, we have our enthusiastic head boy, Master Bharat Gupta. I'd like to request Bharat to kindly come on screen and formally introduce himself.
Greetings all. I'm Bharat Gupta and I've been appointed as the head boy for the session 2021-22. I may fall short of words to express my emotion and my gratitude for the opportunity I've received. I extend my sincere thanks to my principal and teachers who infused such capabilities in me that I felt confident to be able to accept my duties and responsibilities as the head boy of the school. Also, I thank all the students who trusted me and have put their faith in me. Thank you.
May I now request Mr. and Mrs. Gupta to kindly confer the badge and the sash on Bharat. Bharat is a sincere and a disciplined student. He has always volunteered in school events and competition. He is very passionate about traveling and eager to learn more in every way possible. He has also helped in organizing various school events. May you lead others efficiently and uplift our school's image, Bharat. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. And Bharat, keep up the good work. Congratulations. I would now like to introduce a hardworking and deserving school council. We have with us 5 very meritorious students who will be conferred neutral badges. Amongst us, we have our prolific student council member, Ms. Anushka Mohan. I'd like to request Anushka to kindly come on screen with her camera on and formally introduce herself.
Good morning to all present here. My name is Anushka Mohan from grade 12, and it is my honor to be chosen for the school student council. I would like to thank all of my teachers for helping me get here and all of my peers for giving me that support. Thank you.
May I now request Mr. Mohan to kindly confer the badge and the sash on Anushka. Anushka has been with the school since the beginning and has given a lot in a long journey. She is an avid reader and is a proficient pianist who has participated in various music competitions over the years. Anushka has also helped in organizing various school events. She is also a consistent scholar. Thank you, Mr. Mohan, and congratulations, Anushka, on your well-deserved success.
Thank you.
We now have amongst us our skilled and athletic student council member, Ms. Rama Parashar. I'd like to request Rama to kindly switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rama Parasar, and I feel very honored to be a part of today's event. I would like to thank my teachers, students, and peers for believing in me and finding me worthy of this position. Thank you.
May I now request Mrs. Parashar to kindly confer the badge and the sash on Rama. Rama is a brilliant and enthusiastic child who willingly takes part in co-curricular activities and school events. She excels in studies as well as sports like lawn tennis, badminton, and athletics. She has won many laurels for the school. Rama is also a consistent scholar and also helps in organizing school events. Thank you, Mrs. Parashar. Keep up the good work, Rama. Congratulations. Followed by Rama, we have amongst us our confident and responsible student council member, Shreya Mishra. I'd like to request Shreya to kindly turn on her audio and video and formally introduce herself.
A very good morning to everyone. My name is Shreya Mishra from grade 12D. I feel extremely honored to be selected as a student council member, and I really hope that I would serve you well. I'm really grateful to my amazing teachers. Thank you.
May I now request Mrs. Mishra to confer the badge and the sash on Shreya. Shreya is a soft-spoken, creative, and an easygoing person who has helped the school in organizing various events and has enthusiastically taken part in competitions. She has a great interest in playing basketball and doing theater and music. Thank you, Mrs. Mishra. Congratulations, Shreya. Keep up the good work. We have with us an extremely diligent and determined council member, Ms. Adhya Kaul. I'd like to request Adhya to kindly switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and working together is a success. Good morning, everyone. I'm Adha of class 12. It's an honor to serve school as your new school student council member. It brings in a lot of responsibilities, and as one, we would help our school being at its best. It wouldn't have been possible without my teachers, parents, and friends who held me throughout. Thank you so much.
May I now request Mrs. Kaul to kindly confer the badge and the sash on Adhya. Adhya is a person filled with zeal and compassion. If she wants something, she works hard enough to get it. Being a part of council, achieving positions in enrichment, quizzes, academics, representing school, hosting and organizing events, be it inter or inter-school, she tries hard enough to get it and make it a success. Thank you, Mrs. Kaul, and congratulations, Adhya. You really deserve this.
Next, we have amongst us a very hardworking and worthy student council member, Mansi Singh. I would like to request Mansi to kindly switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, and fellow students. I feel privileged and proud at the moment. I'm grateful to the teachers for selecting me to be a part of Students' Council. I assure the school leadership that I will leave no stone unturned to be part of their expectation. I will enthusiastically discharge all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
I would now request Mrs. Singh to kindly confer the badge to Mansi. Mansi is a hard-working student. She has constantly taken part in various school events and competitions, both inter-house and inter-school. Mansi is an eloquent debater and has portrayed her speaking skills as an anchor in several school events. She is an avid reader as well. Thank you, Mrs. Singh. We wish you all the luck, Mansi. Congratulations, students. We hope that you will continue to inspire us all and work hard for the welfare of GD Goenka. I would now like to invite our senior house captains from the 4 houses from grade 11th. Success is achieved by ordinary people with extraordinary determination. First off, I would like to invite the senior house captains from the 4 houses, girls. To begin with, I would like to call our vibrant senior house captain from Radha Krishna House, Ms. Tasha Sharma. I would like to request Tasha to switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Desha Sharma, and I've been chosen for the senior house captain position. I'd like to thank all my teachers for recognizing my abilities and choosing me to uphold this position. I'm very excited to carry forward the school's mottos mixed with my own morals. Thank you.
I would now request Mr. and Mrs. Sharma to kindly confer the badge. Disha is a hardworking and diligent student. She likes to spend her free time reading the books she likes. She wishes to travel the world and see different parts of the world. One of her favorite interests is writing because she believes that when you write, you can turn your lessons into legacies. Thank you, sir. We wish you all the luck, Disha.
Thank you.
We now have with us our exuberant senior house captain from Tagore House, Ms. Lippy Soni. I would like to request Lippy to kindly switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear students. My name is Lippy Soni. I am a student of class 11th B. I have been chosen as the house captain senior of Tagore House. I would like to thank all my teachers, parents, and friends who helped me throughout. I promise to fulfill my duties with full responsibility and excellence. Thank you.
I would now request Mrs. Soni to kindly confer the badge. Lippy is a diligent girl who shares an interest in music, reading, and playing basketball. She even writes poetry and short stories. She is also a district level basketball player. Lippy is a disciplined student and she completes all given tasks to her on time. Thank you, ma'am. We wish you all the luck, Lippy. Now have with us a diligent senior house captain from Teresa House, Ms. Riddhi Kapoor. I would like to request Riddhi to kindly switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Riddhi Kapoor. I have been chosen for the post of Senior House Captain Girls. I would like to pay gratitude to my teachers for having chosen me for this position. I assure that I will give my best and try to be the model of excellence for my teammates. Thank you.
I would now request Mrs. Kapoor to kindly confer the badge to Riddhi. Riddhi's performance has been outstanding in all fields. She has exemplified an excellent combination of hard work, dedication, and teamwork, and has also excelled in academics. In addition to this, Riddhi's participation in various competitions and activities manifests her keenness towards achieving excellence. Thank you, ma'am. We wish you all the luck, Riddhi. We now have with us our extremely reliable senior house captain from Vivekananda House, Ms. Nitya Priya Chatta. I would like to request Nitya to kindly turn on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Greetings to everyone present here. I'm Nitya Priya from grade 11 and I've been chosen as the senior house captain of Vivekananda House. I couldn't be more grateful to be here and I want to thank GD Goenka for nurturing me in the best way possible. I wish I can give back to the school that has given me so much. Thank you so much.
I would now request Mr. and Mrs. Chatta to kindly confer the badge. Nitya will forever be that dreamy-eyed girl that's always busy running around the life that she wants. She loves being on the stage. In her words, it makes her feel alive. Some of her interests include reading and writing poetry, singing, dancing, drama, meeting new people, and falling in love with the world around her a little more every day. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. We wish
Thank you
you all
so
the luck.
much. Thank you.
Followed by her, we have amongst us a very enthusiastic senior house captain from Vivekananda House, Ms. Sanskriti Sharma. I would like to request Sanskriti to kindly switch on her camera and formally introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanskriti Sharma of class 11. I have been chosen for the position of senior house captain Vivekananda House. I would like to thank my parents and my teachers for helping me get here.
We now have with us a very efficient and innovative senior house captain from Radhakrishna House, Mr. Daksh Mene. I would like to request Daksh to kindly switch on his camera and formally introduce himself.
Greetings to one and all. I, Daksh Mani, a student of grade 11, am very grateful towards my teachers and their principal ma'am that they have given me this opportunity for being a house captain senior for Radhakrishnan House. I really look forward to it and will keep up my responsibilities. Thank you.
I would now request Mr. Mene to kindly confer the badge. Daksh is an outgoing and creative student who has a keen interest in the subject mathematics. He enjoys doing Photoshop and he spends his spare time playing online games. That is amazing, Daksh. Thank you, sir. All the best, Daksh.
Thank you.
We now have with us a confident and skilled senior house captain from Tagore House, Mr. Tejaswa Srivastava. I would like to request Tejaswa to kindly switch on his camera and formally introduce himself.
My humblest greetings to one and all present here. I, Tejaswa Srivastava, have been selected for the post of House Captain Senior. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to everyone, teachers, family, and fellow peers alike, who has helped me reach where I currently am. I'm grateful. I really look forward to taking up the role of House Captain Senior Tagore House, and I promise I will put my heart and soul into every task that is required of me to do.
I would now request Mr. Srivastava to kindly confer the badge. Tejaswa has been a part of the school for 8 years. He is a keen and enthusiastic learner who loves to cooperate with his fellow peers. He has participated in multiple inter-house and inter-school competitions, and he has gained a lot of experience and has learned various things through them. Thank you, sir. We wish you all the luck, Tizaswa. We now have with us our enthusiastic senior house captain from Tagore House, Mr. Arjav Jain. I would like to request Arjav to kindly switch on his camera and formally introduce himself.
A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Arjav Jain, and I have been elected as the senior house captain for Tagore. I would like to show my gratitude towards my teacher and my schoolmates who have helped me to reach this position. I hope that I live up to your expectation and perform well. I will try my level best. Thank you very much.
I would like to request Mr. Jain to confer the badge. Arjav is an energetic student who has a keen interest in sports and is very dedicated to all his tasks. He has represented the school in the game of lawn tennis and cricket. He has also participated in various inter-house and inter-school events in this field of sports. Thank you, ma'am. We wish you all the luck, Arjav. We now have amongst us our optimistic senior house captain from Teresa House, Mr. Viplav Rajora. I would like to request Viplav to kindly switch on his camera and formally introduce himself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Viplav Rajara. I'm a student of grade 11A. I've been selected for the post of House Captain Senior from Teresa House. I'm really grateful to all my teachers for seeing in me the desired image required for this position. Thanks again for this honor.
Now, I would like to request Mrs. Rajora to kindly confer the badge. Viplav is a dedicated and reliable student who is greatly focused onto his studies. He has scored 97.7% in his 10th grade. He also enjoys painting and some reading during his leisure time, and he has actively taken part in various inter-house and inter-school competitions. Thank you, ma'am. We wish you all the luck, Viplav.
Thank you.
Next, we have amongst us a reliable and skillful senior house captain from the Vivekananda House, Mr. Aditya Datta. I would like to request Aditya to kindly switch on his camera and formally introduce himself.
Good morning, everyone present here. I am Aditya Manish Datta, and I'm very grateful on being appointed the position of House Captain Senior for Vivekananda House. I'm very thankful to all my teachers, my peers for supporting me through the past years, and I hope to continue my progression as a friend, classmate, student, and also as a leader. Thank you.
Now, I would like to request Mr. and Mrs. Datta to kindly confer the badge. Aditya has a keen interest in music, art, and academics. He's an enthusiastic student who participates in inter-house and inter-school events actively. He has been a volunteer for various school events and co-curricular events for differently abled students from Greater Noida. He wishes to keep his passion for music alive whenever he goes in life. Thank you, ma'am. Very good luck for your future, Aditya. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good luck to everyone. We hope that you will do best in the future and make our school proud. I would now like to hand over the stage to my co-hosts, Janvi Gosain and Anushka Mohan.
Thank you, Shreya. May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Abhishek Pandey, to enlighten us with a few words of wisdom and bless the students. Sir, we request you to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning, dear students. Janvi, can you hear me so that I can start?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, great. Good morning to all my teachers, staff members, the new elected council members, the last ones who have given their whole responsibility in a great way to the principal ma'am and the management of GD Goenka School. I wish you a very, very good morning and congratulations to all the people who are in the newly elected council. You people have got a new role to do, and very congratulations to all. This interaction which I'm doing with you people is for the first time. I don't know how much you can take it from me, or how much I can take it from you all, because your performance and your ceremony has taken me back to my times when I was in my school. And really, everything comes as a flash in front of you when you think about your old school days. Uh, the students, the time which we are dealing with is a very tough time. And I'm very much sure that you are not going to forget this at any cost in whole of your life. Whether you have your principal ma'am, the teachers, the staff members, all the people who are related with your school, and you, your relatives, your family, your friends, because this is a tough time. You people could not meet each other for the past 1.5 years, and maybe I can say that the growth is never ending. People will grow, your mind will grow, you people will grow. And when you go back to your schools in the coming days, things are getting better. And when you see your classmates, when you see your teachers and everyone, they must have come up in a different shape. I must say that yes, people must have grown. They have come up with new ideas, the new way how they used to act and react in the past. So I would like to say that our life is just like an open book, and our days are divided, or our sessions, or maybe the years are divided into chapters. We, when if we talk about 2018, we have a different life. We had a very cozy life, I must say. But in 2020, 2021, things are different. So the life has given us a different chapter. But yes, if you read the book just like a life, so we have different chapters. But yes, if we have a tough time, yes, for sure, good times are about to come. So you can say that you people enjoy this time also. It's a tough, but yes, make sure that good things are about to come. When your school will start, when you people will go out and meet people, then again things on the track. And uh, my only message to you all, please, please be connected to our nature, the sun, the moon, the soil, the trees. They are very, very important. And you people can only give a message because we are getting older. The people, because if we say to all our kids and dear students, they are the people who can take the baton and go out on the track. So please be connected to nature. At least give 1 or 2 minutes. I can't say that give 1 or 2 hours, because you all are busy with your homework assignments, your classes, your daily routines, getting your household stuff done. Maybe some people must have started, and parents must be saying that you people have to learn how to clean up the things, and how to cut the vegetables, and so many assignments, little assignments which you people get every day. So I said that life is just like a book. So please stay connected to the nature. This is all what I can say. And enjoy your days. Wish you very, very good luck, and a bright future in the coming days. And the Goenkan family, the Goenkan teachers, principal ma'am, and all the staff members, your dedication, your hard work in the past 1.5 years have really proved, I must say, that how people are connected, how they are doing the work, is all commendable. Thank you very much, and wish you a very, very happy day and a very happy festive time that is about to come. Please enjoy your days and take good care of yourself and family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We are extremely grateful to you for taking time out to grace the occasion and bless the students. We would be grateful if you could stay with us for the entire ceremony. We request you to kindly accept the memento as a token of our love and remembrance on behalf of the management, principal, staff, and students of GD Goenka.
Thank you very much. And I can only say that wish you guys a very good luck and the bright future. You people keep smiling, doing great things as you people have been doing in the past. And I just have to leave to somewhere because I have another assignment lined up. And I can only say in the coming days when things will get better, maybe I can see you all and wish you all the best. And thank you very much to all the teachers, principal ma'am, the management, for the great work you people have done and for the great dedication that you have shown in the past 1.5 years in this tough time. But I can assure you that the good time is about to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to call my fellow Student Council member Adhya to introduce our enthusiastic Vice House Captains representing grades 10th and 9th.
Thank you, Janvi. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful and concerned students can change the world. Indeed, it is one of the things that ever has. We will now have ceremony of conferring of badges of Vice House Captain Senior, grade 9th and 10th. Firstly, we have with us Girl Vice House Captains Senior representing grade 9th and 10th. We have confident and vibrant Miss Swasti Tyagi from Radha Krishnan House. I would like Swasti to turn on her camera and present herself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Swasti. I'm in grade 10 and I have been in this school from grade 2 onwards. My journey in this school has metamorphosized me into being a caring, genuine, and optimistic person. I thank my teachers, my peers, and everyone who has helped me out and given me this part in the council. I will deliver my best for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
I would request Mrs. Tyagi to confer the badge to Swasti. Swasti is a vibrant person. She has a very exquisite approach to all the challenges and tasks given to her. She enjoys taking the lead and presents her work neatly. A confident girl with clear oration. Swasti not only possesses leadership qualities, but also is a great team player. We wish you all the luck, Swasti. Thank you, ma'am, and well done, Swasti.
Thank you.
Now we have with us diligent and dedicated one, Miss Soumya Bhatnagar from Tagore House. I would like Soumya to turn on her camera and tell us about herself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Soumya Bhatnagar, a very proud and obliged student of GD Goenka Public School. I am very grateful to my teachers and fellow mates to have such trust for have chosen me as the Senior House Vice Captain of Tagore House. I solemnly pledge to uphold the dignity of my school. Thank you.
I would request Mrs. Bhatnagar to confer the badge to Soumya. The one who believes in deeds and completes all her tasks with confidence, who's appreciated by her mentors, by teachers for her good work, and keeps looking forward to do the great work and make a prominent position in this competitive world. All the best, Soumya. Thank you, ma'am, and keep up the good work, Soumya. We have with us the sincere and responsible one, Miss Kamya Dutt from Teresa House. I would like Kamya to turn on her camera and make herself known.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Kamya Dutt from class 10. I would like to thank my teachers and everyone who helped me to take on the responsibilities of the House Vice Captain Senior. It's an honor for me to contribute to my school and my house in this position. Thank you.
I would request Mr. and Mrs. Dutt to confer the badge to Kamya. Kamya is an exceptional girl whose sincerity has made her excel in both academics and variety of extracurricular activities. Above all, she is an extremely responsible girl, ever ready to extend a helping hand and respectful towards all. All the best, Kamya. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And many congratulations, Kamya. Next, we have with us our enthusiastic and growing leader, Miss Ayantika Roy from Vivekananda House. I would like Ayantika to turn on her camera and introduce herself.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Ayantika Roy, and I have been elected as House Vice Captain Senior Girls. I would like to thank my teachers who have chosen me for this post. I'm honored to get this opportunity. I will give my best to respect my post. Thank you so much.
I would request Mr. and Mrs. Roy to confer the badges to Ayantika. Ayantika is an enthusiastic participant of cultural and sports events. She has even participated in inter and intra dance and debate competitions and always makes us proud. Her strategies are amazing. All the best, Ayantika. May you achieve more. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, Ayantika.
Thank you.
Now it's the turn of Boy Vice Captain Senior representing grade 10th and 9th. We have with us excellent learner and sporty person Madhav from Radhakrishnan House. I would like Madhav to turn on his camera and present himself.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Madhav and I am from class 10th. I have been selected as the Vice House Captain for my house, seniors. And I would like to have this opportunity to introduce myself as our House Vice Captain. I would like to work for the betterment of my house and have maximum participation. Thank you.
I would like to request Mr. and Mrs. Sharma to confer the badge to Madhav. Madhav is doing great in academics and fitness, representing our school thoroughly and tries hard to win. His strategies are amazing and the way he puts them on the field. We hope he continues to make us proud. All the very best, Madhav. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, Madhav. Next, we have with us the achiever and the learner, Mukund Sharma from Tagore House. I would like Mukund to turn on his camera and make himself known.
Good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to be on this online platform and to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Mukund Sharma of grade 10th B, and I have been chosen for the post of Vice House Captain Seniors for Tagore House. I would like to thank my teachers and the whole school for providing me this opportunity. And I would like my team to focus on their current work and would like to motivate my juniors and try to get the best out of it. Thank you.
I would request Mr. and Mrs. Sharma to confer the badge to Mukund. Mukund is an all-rounder. He is good in both academics and co-curricular activities. He has won many prizes during his time in school. He puts in his 100% and makes us proud. We hope he continues doing that. We wish you all the luck. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Well done, Mukund. Now we have with us deserving and confident Ashwin Sharma from Teresa House. I would like Ashwin to turn on his camera and introduce himself.
A very good morning to everyone. My name is Ashwin Sharma. I have been elected as the House Vice Captain Senior of Teresa House. I would like to thank everyone who voted for me and trusted me with this post. I would also like to thank the teachers who have supported me and helped me to reach where I am today. I promise I will bring prizes and laurels to both my school and house.
I would like to call Mr. and Mrs. Sharma to confer the badge to Ashwin. Ashwin is a learner and likes to play sports like tennis and table tennis. He takes keen interest in subjects like science and maths. He loves to read books and wishes to make the world a better place. All the best, Ashwin. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Good job, Ashwin. Last but not the least, Vice House Captain representing grade 10th and 9th is our enthusiastic and zestful learner, Abhi Gupta from Vivekananda House. I would like Abhi to turn on his camera and introduce himself.
It is an honor to be appointed to Vivekananda House's Senior Vice Captain. What makes this even more heartwarming is the knowledge that my friends, juniors, and seniors voted to have me here today. To step into the shoes of Vice Captain means having a larger role in shaping our house members, as well as in presenting ourselves as a noteworthy, impressionable group. I look forward to co-leading VK House.
I would like to call Mrs. Gupta to confer the badge to Abhi. Abhi is a cognitive leader and possesses plenty of experience in not only leading, but also being a part of the team. He has brought many victories to his school and his house in many inter and intra-school events. He is an avid learner and shows keen interest in acquiring new knowledge. We wish you all the luck, Abhi. Thank you, ma'am. We are proud of you, Abhi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I would like to call my co-host, Bharat, to continue announcing the junior captains from grade 7th and 8th.
Thank you, Adya. Success comes from going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Now we will begin with the ceremony of conferring of badges for the position of House Captain Junior from grade 8th and 7th. For that, first we have Advita Dikshit from Radha Krishnan House. I would like Advita to turn on her camera and introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Advita Dikshit, and I am extremely honored to be elected as the House Captain Junior Radha Krishnan House. I will be kind and respectful to everyone. I will encourage you when in need. I also thank my parents for guiding me. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Dikshit to confer her the badge. Advita is an open and honest person who doesn't believe in misleading other people and tries to be fair in everything she does. She is a hardworking and driven individual who isn't afraid to face challenges. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, Advita.
Thank you.
Now, next we have Yuvanshi Chuk from Tagore House. I would like Yuvanshi to turn on her camera and introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Yuvanshi Chuk from class 7, and I've been chosen as the junior house captain for Tagore. I'm very glad to have this wonderful opportunity and would like to convey my gratitude to everyone who has helped me reach milestones I never could have on my own. In the future, I vow to prove myself as a virtuous leader and represent myself, my school, and my house to the best of my abilities. Thank you very much.
Now I would like to invite Mrs. Chuk to confer her the badge. Yuvanshi is an effective and articulate communicator who is enthused about her work. She loves being the best at what she does, whether it's studies or extracurricular activities. She is a voracious reader who is inquisitive about the surroundings and world around her. Yuvanshi demonstrates empathy and compassion towards everyone and enjoys helping as best as she can. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations on your success, Yuvanshi. Now we have Shubhi from Teresa House. I would like Shubhi to come forward and introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubhi. I'm feeling honored to be selected as the junior captain of Teresa House. I believe it is a good opportunity for me to improve my interpersonal and leadership skills. I will talk to students, listen to the suggestions, and encourage them to actively participate in extracurricular activities. Thank you.
I would like to invite parents of Shubhi to confer her the badge. Shubhi enthusiastically takes part in all activities. She participates in Olympiads and intra and inter-school activities and has won many awards. As a junior captain, she would like to improve her leadership skills and she will strive to create a cohesive environment where everyone is encouraged to take part in extracurricular activities to make them successful. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. All the very best for your future shooting. Next, we have Sambhavi Tyagi from Vivekananda House. I would like Sambhavi to come forward and introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shambhavi Tyagi of class 7B, and I would like to thank everyone for showing such confidence in me and choosing me as the junior captain of Vivekananda House. I take this moment to reassure everyone that I will do all my best and lead my house to greater good and success with our teachers' guidance. Thank you, everyone.
Now I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Tyagi to confer her the badge. Sambhavi was serving as vice junior captain before. She has participated in various inter and intra-school competitions and won. She is good at basketball, badminton, skating, and art is her mind therapy. She is a humble, polite, and very down-to-earth girl who is always ready to help and cooperate with others. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. May you achieve more in your life, Sambhavi. Now for the boys, we have Pranit Mathur from Radha Krishnan House. I would like Pranit to come forward and introduce himself.
Good morning, everyone. I, Pranit Mathur, as House Captain Junior of Radha Krishnan House, is grateful to be appointed to this responsible and prestigious post. I assure my school, my teachers, and my fellow students that I will follow the school rules and regulations. I dedicate my sincere efforts towards upholding the sanity and dignity attached to the name of GD Goenka Public School and Radha Krishnan House, whom I represent here. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Pranit's grandmother to confer him the badge. Pranit has a multifaceted personality who believes that success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. He is a passionate learner with the potential of breathing life into his aspirations. He is a proud winner of various inter-school competitions and he aspires to be a space scientist. Thank you, ma'am. May you achieve your goal, Pranit.
Thank you.
Next, we have Athar Jain. I would like Athar to turn on his camera and introduce himself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Athar Jain. I am feeling proud to say that I have been chosen as the House Captain Junior for Tagore House. I am very glad to be the part of this event. And I promise to maintain this dedication towards my school and become higher, brighter, and stronger in future. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Jain to confer him the badge. Athar is a self-motivated, responsible, and honest child. He is never afraid of taking initiatives. Athar has won many laurels and certificates for the school in various events. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We wish you all the luck, Athar. Next, we have Yashowardhan Singh from Teresa House. I would like Yashowardhan to come forward and introduce himself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yashowardhan Singh, and I'm from class 8B. I feel so privileged to be chosen as the House Captain Junior for Teresa House. First of all, a million thanks to Principal Ma'am, teachers, and friends who trusted and shown confidence on me throughout the journey. Being as a House Captain, I will strive towards driving the culture of discipline, trust, respecting each other and their opinions, imbibe the core values of our school, and actively participation in all activities. I will always be there to bridge the gap and put my best to excel your expectations and trust. Once again, thank you so much.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Singh to confer him the badge. Yashuvardhan Singh is a great observer and a quick learner. He is very disciplined and self-motivated person. He also has the ability to communicate and collaborate well. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. All the very best for your future, Yashuvardhan.
Thank you.
Last but not least, we have Arav Isar from Vivekananda House. I would like Arav to turn on his camera and introduce himself.
Good morning. I am Aravisar of class 8B. I have been chosen as House Captain Junior at Vivekananda House. I am honored to be selected as the House Captain Junior. I promise to be the best House Captain I can possibly be. And I promise to Vivekananda House that I will help it achieve the heights of its abilities. Thank you very much.
Now I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Isar to confer him the badge. Arav has been a member of the Student Council for the last 2 years, and this is his 3rd year in a row. He has also participated in many inter-house as well as inter-school competitions. He has also contributed to the design of the school. He dreams of becoming a professional master chef and also runs a YouTube channel displaying his culinary skills. He's a very bright, polite, cheerful, and a friendly boy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. May you achieve more in your life, Arav.
Thank you.
Now, to continue, I would like to call my fellow student council member, Rama, to continue to announce the junior house vice captains from grade 6th and 5th.
Thank you, Bharat. The greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. We will now have the ceremony of conferring of badges for the position of House Vice Captain Junior from grades 5 and 6. Starting with the girls, first we have the calm and composed Aisha Khan from Radhakrishnan House. I would request Aisha to turn on her camera and introduce herself.
Warm greetings to one and all. I'm Aisha Khan and I'm extremely delighted to be a part of the Student Council. I promise to do my duties to the best of my ability with earnestness, zeal and cooperation to keep the flag of Radhakrishnan House flying high. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha. Now, I would request Mrs. Khan to confer the badge to Aisha. Aisha is an ideal combination of an agile mind and positive attitude. Her focus and determination has paved her way towards excellence. She strives to achieve continuous improvement and believes in maintaining her integrity at all times. Thank you, Mrs. Khan, and keep it up, Aisha. Next, we have the extremely talented Arundhati Ray from Tagore House. I would request Arundhati to turn on her camera and introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arundhati from grade 5A. I am feeling very proud to have been chosen for the House Vice Captain Junior of Girls Tego House. I am very thankful to everyone, including my dear friends, who believed in me and helped me gain this position today. I will try my best to improve myself and listen to everyone's opinions to keep up. Thank you.
Thank you, Arundhati. Now, I would request Mrs. Ray to confer the badge to Arundhati. Arundhati is a very enthusiastic girl who has taken part in many inter and intra-school competitions. She is also a scholar badge holder since 2017. Arundhati is a very hardworking girl and is passionate about her work. She is always eager to help everyone who seeks out. She has achieved many medals in Olympiads and several events. Arundhati is very active during classes and maintains a clean record of presence in the class. It is her dream to become an IPS officer to serve her country and nation. Thank you, Mrs. Ray, and kudos to Arundhati.
Thank you.
Next, we have the hardworking and persistent Divija Chande from Tagore House. I would request Divija to turn on her camera and introduce herself.
A very good morning to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, my beloved teachers, and my fellow friends. My name is Divija Chande and I am a student of Class 5B. I'm very grateful to everyone who has voted for me and given me this opportunity to represent Teresa House as a House Vice Captain Junior. I assure you to do the best in my capacity under the guidance of my teachers and seniors for the success and betterment of my house. Once again, I thank you all and have a nice day.
Thank you, Divija. Now, I would request Mrs. Chande to confer the badge to Divija. Divija is a very enthusiastic learner. She helps her peers and teachers willingly. Apart from academics, she has also participated in many extracurricular events. She is a very responsible girl who puts effort and dedication towards everything she does. Thank you, Mrs. Chande, and many congrats to Divija.
Thank you.
Next in line, we have a keen and curious learner, Sneha from Vivekananda House. I would request Sneha to turn on her camera and introduce herself.
Hello everyone. My name is Neha. I am feeling very happy that I have been selected for the post of Junior Vice Captain Vivekananda House. As a Junior Vice Captain, I would encourage all the students to take part in extracurricular activities and do my best to make such activities successful.
Thank you, Sneha. Now, I would request Mrs. Kumar to confer the sash and badge to Sneha. Sneha is very active in both academic and other activities. In addition to many international ranks in Olympiads, she has won awards in many intra and inter-school competitions. For example, she was first in the inter-school competition Roly-Poly last year. As a junior vice captain, she would like to improve her interpersonal communication and leadership skills. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, and way to go, Sneha.
Thank you.
Moving on to the boys, we have the helpful and sincere Arnav Goswami from Radhakrishnan House. I would request Arnav to turn on his camera and introduce himself.
Good morning to all my respected teachers and my fellow classmates. I am Arnav Goswami and I am elected as Radhakrishnan House Vice Captain. I will make sure that others also get their chance to participate in different competitions and also make sure that our team win most of the competitions. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnav. Now, I would request Mrs. Goswami to confer the badge to Arnav. Arnav is a brilliant boy. He has secured first position in inter-house aquatic competition and was honored as Vice Captain Junior Boys in 2020. He has been elected a second time for the position of House Vice Captain Junior. Arnav is a responsible child who can be relied on anytime. Thank you, Mrs. Goswami, and all the best to Arnav for the future. Next on board, we have the diligent Aman Jain from Tagore House. I would request Aman to turn on his camera and introduce himself.
Good morning. I am Aman Jain and very delighted that you all have voted me as a junior house vice captain of Tagore House. If I make any mistake, I will try to improve my mistake. Thank you.
Thank you, Aman. Now, I would like to request Mrs. Jain to confer the badge to Aman. Aman is a bright child who proficiently balances his studies, games, and co-curricular activities. He is a wonderful speaker and always pays attention in class. be it online or offline. His determination has helped him to be a part of the prefectorial board. Aman is also a very attentive learner in his classes. Thank you, Mrs. Jain, and way to go, Aman. Next, we have the confident and caring Shaurya Sharma from Teresa House. Shaurya is a very eager and smart child who always comes forward and tries to help his peers. He takes part in competitions and events with utmost enthusiasm. He is a concentrated child who keeps his goals as his top priority. He's an ace lawn tennis player who recently won the Under 12 Championship Series held at JP Sports Club on 25th March 2021. Shaurya is presently on court, so I would like to request Mr. Sharma to accept the sash and badge on his behalf.
Mr. Sharma, I request you to put on your camera and accept the badge.
Yes. Can you hear me and see me now?
Yes, we
Yeah.
can.
So sorry, ma'am. Shaurya is playing ITA Championship quarterfinal today at Delhi. So I accept his house captaincy badge, and I'm proud to be his father. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma.
Thank you.
Last but not the least, we have our all-rounder, Kavya Jain from Vivekananda House. I would request Kavya to turn on his camera and introduce himself.
Good morning to dear friends and teachers. My name is Dr. Jain and I am now the House Vice Captain Junior from Vivekananda. I will motivate you in times of sorrow. I will encourage you when you think you can't do it. I will help you in times of need. Thank you for selecting me. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Kavya. Now, I would request Mrs. Jain to confer the badge to Kavya. Kavya is a great learner who excels in his studies. Apart from being a sportsman, he's also a great mathematics student. He participates in most competitions and goes all out in helping the school reach greater heights. Kavya has never let the school down and always uplifts the motto of the school. Thank you, Mrs. Jain, and keep it up, Kavya. Now, I would like to call Janvi back to proceed with the event.
Thank you, Rama. Leadership is about making others better as a result of your presence and making sure that impact lasts in your absence. We now have our young and worthy leaders on the dais, donning the mantle of responsibility as they all pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities. They are ready to pledge their oath at the culmination of the investiture ceremony of 2021 to 22. May I now request our respected principal, Dr. Renu Sehgal, to confer the oath to the newly elected prefectorial board. I request all the members of the newly elected prefectorial board to kindly switch on their cameras, put their right hand on their left shoulder, and repeat the oath after Principal Ma'am.
Thank you, Janvi. Thank you so much. I promise. I will serve my fellow students. And school sincerely. I will endeavor. To be a perfect role model. Of discipline. I will actively take part. In school activities. And endeavor. To bring laurels. And glory to it. As a member of school prefectorial board. I will uphold. Loyalty to the traditions. And ethos of the school. I vow. That I will do my best. Maintain discipline. Among students. and carry out all the duties entrusted to me.
All the duties entrusted to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now like to invite our esteemed principal to kindly address this August gathering.
Thank you, Janvi, once again. First of all, let me welcome and say thank you to the chief guest of the day today, Mr. Abhishek Pandey. Although he is not here at the moment, but we, from the core of my heart and on behalf of entire Goenkan fraternity, we thank him to spare his time and to be a part of this ceremony today. I also congratulate all the students who have been nominated and have been entrusted with so many duties, being the council member of the school. We all must know that the school is the base for all of you to learn something for your life. When you contribute something to the school, you are also learning at the same time that how to take up the responsibility which has been given to you being a council member. I also congratulate all the parents whose children have been nominated as the council members and holding various duties in the school management. Although we would have loved that we would have had this ceremony in the school premises in person, but there is a saying that there is everything good in whatever God does. I'm sure when we would have done it in the school, the mothers wouldn't have got this opportunity, or the parents wouldn't have got this opportunity to put the sash and the badge to their own child. I don't know, it's a very, very happy sign that the mother watches, parents, they watch their children grow. So I'm sure all parents must have enjoyed putting the sash and the badge to their children today on this auspicious occasion. So there is everything good in whatever God does. So this is something new which has happened, and the parents have got a chance to bless their children with their own hands so that they go a long way in their life. Children, you have got this responsibility. Now, being the council member, you have to be responsible. So you must follow 7 rules of life. You know, number 1, let it go. That means never run a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday. Always forget, forgive, and forward. Second rule of life, ignore them. That means don't listen to the people who disturb you, who do not allow you to work, who do not allow you to take decisions which are good for you. Live a life that's empowering to you. That's empowering to you. Third rule, give it time. We know that whatever happens, of course, sometimes when we are in anger, give it a time. Time heals everything. Time is money. Time heals everything. So if you give some time to the decision, whatever you are supposed to take, I'm sure after some time with a cool mind, you can take the decision in proper way. Fourth rule of life, don't compare. We should never compare. The only thing, you know, the only person whom you should compare or you should beat is the person you were yesterday. What you were yesterday, do not be the same person today. You have to move a step ahead. Number 5, stay calm. Always stay calm. Whenever you are maybe in the school council, being the school council member, you will have lots of responsibilities. Sometimes maybe a lot of grievances you might have to face, but you have to stay calm. To have everything figured out, know that thing in time, you will get it there. The 6th thing, it's on you. That is, only you are in charge of your happiness. Nobody else is responsible for your happiness or sadness. You are the only one who's responsible. And the 7th and the last, very important, smile. Life is short. Enjoy it while you have it. The smile is the shortest distance between two persons, two people. So, whenever you feel something, pass it on with a smile. So always remember, difficulties would come your way, and that is what life teaches you. And that is what school gives you this platform to run, to learn and to move ahead. मजबूत होने में मजा ही तब है, मजबूत होने में मजा ही तब है जब सारी दुनिया कमजोर करने पर तुली हो. That means that when people are after you, you must know that what you have to do. यदि हर सुबह नींद खुलने पर किसी लक्ष्य को लेकर आप उत्साहित नहीं हैं, that means you are not happy with some kind of an objective in the morning, तो आप जी नहीं रहे हैं बल्कि जिंदगी काट रहे हैं. तो जिंदगी काटिए नहीं, जिंदगी को जीना सीखिए और हिम्मत से आगे बढ़िए, ताकि आप कह सकें, थोड़ा डूबूंगा मगर फिर तैर आऊंगा, थोड़ा डूबूंगा मगर फिर तैर आऊंगा, ए जिंदगी तू देख मैं फिर जीत आऊंगा. So always win, always try to move ahead, always strive for the excellence, learn, forgive, forget, forward. Thank you so much. God bless you all for the new posts and new challenges in life. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much for your golden words, ma'am. You are truly an inspiration to all of us.
Congratulations to all the students. I think it's time to celebrate this fabulous occasion. This calls for a dance performance presented by the girls from grade 9.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. I feel a good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling.
चलना पूछना पूछ के चलना मरना जीना मर के जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने जीना गिरना उठना उठ के चलना चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना जीत का जुनू है तो हार सोचना कि कहीं दो बार सोचना क्यों मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक बनना क्यों रहूं मुझे दास्ता बनना है मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है
I got this feeling.
That was amazing. I would now request our head girl, Janvi Gosai, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Anushka. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. On behalf of the entire Student Council, we would like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Abhishek Pandey, for gracing this occasion. I would like to thank our esteemed chairman, Mr. Dinesh Karnani, and our honorable director, Mr. Deepak Karnani, for their support. I also thank Principal Ma'am for her constant guidance and inspiring words. We thank the whole faculty, the staff, the HODs, in charges, and teachers for putting up a show of a caliber as remarkable as this. Last but not the least, we thank all the parents for joining us and cooperating with us today to make this event a grand success. To the newly elected Student Council, congratulations, students. May you uplift the image of GD Goenka and make this institution proud. We once again thank you all for your support in making this function a grand success. We hope you have a wonderful day ahead.
हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं, हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं। चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर, चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर। चाहे आए आंधी या तूफान कहीं पर, चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर। चाहे आए आंधी या तूफान कहीं पर, हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं। हम गोयंका की शान है, गोयंका हमारी आन है, गोयंका हमारी आन है। हम गोयंका की शान है, गोयंका हमारी आन है। करेंगे वो काम की जग में होगा नाम, करेंगे वो काम की जग में होगा नाम। काम कितना मुश्किल हो पर देंगे हम अंजाम, काम कितना मुश्किल हो पर देंगे हम अंजाम। करेंगे वो काम की जग में होगा नाम, काम कितना मुश्किल हो पर देंगे हम अंजाम। अपनी मेहनत से नाम गोयंका का, नाम गोयंका का। अपनी मेहनत से नाम गोयंका का। रोशन करेंगे नाम अपने स्कूल का, रोशन करेंगे नाम अपने स्कूल का। रोशन करेंगे नाम अपने स्कूल का, रोशन करेंगे नाम अपने स्कूल का। हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं, हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं। चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर, चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर। चाहे आए आंधी या तूफान कहीं पर, चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर। चाहे आए आंधी या तूफान कहीं पर, हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं। हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे, हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं। हम सितारे हैं, हा 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 हा, सबके प्यारे हैं, हा 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 हा। हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं, हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं। चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर, चमकेंगे हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर। चाहे आए आंधी या तूफान कहीं पर, चाहे आए हम जिंदगी के आसमां पर। चाहे आए आंधी या तूफान कहीं पर, हम सितारे हैं सबके प्यारे हैं। हम गोयंका की शान है, हम गोयंका की शान है। गोयंका हमारी आन है, गोयंका हमारी आन है। हम गोयंका की शान है,